that happened in Mubende, where an alleged landowner was murdered together with the husband, and then there was an attempted murder on the two sons. We have 5 suspects who were charged to court, 11 are wanted, and a serious hunt has been put up for them. But we've been getting information indicating that there were some local politicians who were fueling that land conflict, and for that matter, we have summoned the area member of parliament, that is Honorable Mbabazi Pascal, the LC5 chairperson, Muhereza Ntambi Michael, over allegations that they fueled and incited acts of violence that led to the gruesome murder of this landowner, her husband, and the attempted murder of the two sons. So our joint crime investigations and crime intelligence task teams that are investigating that gruesome murder of the landowner and her husband over a land dispute between the administrators and the squatters on that piece of land, have actually summoned like I said, the Honourable Member of Parliament and the LC5 chairperson for Mubende District for statement recording over alleged acts of conspiracy to murder and incitement to violence that led to the tragic murder of Namutebi Mili Naava, aged 54, a landowner and resident of Chirwami village, Chiruma sub-county in Mubende. She was murdered together with her husband, Kaizi Abdallah, aged 53, on the 31st of July of July 2023. You are aware last Friday we charged 5 suspects who include Tumusiime Benjamin, Rukundo Prince, alias Muhwezi, Birija Job, Kakaire Zainab, and Basemire Mile. These were charged to court on charges of murder, attempted murder, and being accessories after the fact of murder. They were remanded to Kawere prison till the 15th of September 2023. For those who have been following this incident, the conflict actually was between Naava Namutebi Mili, who is one of the administrators, and the squatters on this piece of land. It is about 3 square miles. Now, what happened is that on the 13th of July, the workers of Naava Namutebi were blocked from tilling their land in preparation for the upcoming rains. So when they were blocked by Tumusiime Benjamin, they went and informed their landlady, Naava Namutebi, and they told her that Tumusiime Benjamin had summoned her or invited her to see how they can get to come to an understanding and on how they can go ahead with their gardens and so on. So the following day of 31st July, around 7:45, the victims, that is Naava Namutebi, in the company of her husband, Kaizi Abdallah, their 2 sons, Kauma Ibrahim and Sekamate Muzaffaru, went to meet Tumusiime Benjamin and thereafter proceed to their gardens. Unfortunately, this is a group that had already prepared for them. What Tumusiime did was made an alarm and even made phone calls inviting other members, other squatters who emerged from the nearby bushes, homes with spears, pangas, hoes, sticks, and stones. They aggressively assaulted and hacked to death Naava Namutebi Mili and her husband, Kaizi Abdallah. Their two sons managed to escape with serious injuries. In addition to summoning the area MP and the LC5 chairperson, we've recorded the statement of the LC3 chairperson, Kiruma Sub-County, called Ayimbisiwe Stephen. According to the evidence we have so far, it is indicated that some of these local leaders had their relatives who were subsisting on this land that is under dispute, so that is why we have really summoned them. We are now looking for 11 others who participated in the murder and are on the run. These 11 include Serugo Sulait, Chimbogwe Ibra, Seguya Wilba, Semulu Tadeo, Ndaisaba David, Taremwa John, Kemirembe Beatrice, Nachambade Annette, Mpera Lamik, Nakama Tereste, and Nakalyango Recho. It is alleged that they are part of the squatters who were mobilized by Tumusiime Benjamin and are relatives to some of the politicians who were fueling the conflict.